Hello, you're welcome to New Focused Approach to Mathematics Basic 9. This is the revised edition. And in this video, you want to learn how to solve word problems involving basic operations on fractions. This lesson can be found in page 71 of your book. Now, we learned in book 7 and 8 how to deal with operations on fractions. We learned the basic concept of operations and the basic concept of fractions as well. At this very lesson, we want to look at how we can apply this in real life situations, how to solve problems of that sort. So we'll take few examples and then we see what we can learn from here. So example 1 here says that Joe on his birthday bought 3 pizzas. He gave 4/9 of the pizza to his friend Tom and gave 1/3 of the pizza to Nora. How much of the pizza did Joe give away and how much of the pizza was left? Okay, so let's assume that these are the 3 pieces. Okay, now all put together, he gave 4/9 and then 1/3 out. So let's look at how much was given out. He gave 4/9 plus 1/3 out. Now we are going to add these two. Of course, we can find the LCM. You know how to find the LCM. And the LCM here is 9. So 9 can divide 9 as 1 times 4 will give us 4 here. 3 can divide 9 as 3 times 1 will give us 3 here. Put together will give us 7 or 9. So it means that when we add these two fractions, this is what we have. So that even answers the first question, which is how much of the pizza was given away. And so we can say that 7/9 of the pizza was given out. Okay. Then the next question is how much of the pizza was left. Now in all we had 3 pieces. So if you want to know how much is left, then we can take away the 7/9 from it. And that, of course, we have LCM here again to be 9. Here is over 1. We subtract 1. We can see how much 1 can divide 9 as 9. Then we multiply the 9 by 3 to give us 27. 9 again can divide 9 as 1 times 7 will give us 7. Now when we subtract this, we have 20 out of 9. Okay. Now that means what is left is 20 divided by 9. And that can be written as 2 whole number 2/9. What it means is that he's left with 2 of the pieces and 2/9 of the remaining 1. So it means he didn't even give a whole pizza to the friends. You know what it means? It means dividing the whole pizza into 9, 1 pizza into 9, he gave out 7 out of the 9, leaving 2 out of 9 plus the remaining 2 as a pizza left. All right, let's see another question. Adam ate 2/5 of a chocolate bar, while Senna ate 3/10 of the chocolate bar. What fraction of the chocolate bar was left? Okay, again, if you want to look at the total chocolates ate by Adam and Senna, you are going to have 2 divided by 5 plus 3 divided by 10. Now again, we find the LCM and that is 10. 5 can divide 10 as 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then 10 can divide 10 as 1 times 3 will give us 3. When we put this together, we have 7 out of 10. And so we can say that what fraction of chocolate bar was left? Okay, that means 7 out of 10 chocolate was eaten. So if we want to know what is left, total fraction we know is 1. So we subtract 7 out of 10 from the 1. Okay, and again, our LCM here is 10. So 1/1. 1 divide 10 as 10. And 10 times 1 will give us 10 here, minus 10 divide 10 as 1 times 7 will give us 7. You subtract, we have 3 out of 10. So what fraction of chocolate bar was left? And that is going to be 3/10. 3/10. of chocolate bar was left. Let's take the last question. Dana had 160 centimeters of ribbons. She cut 5/8 of it. What length of the ribbon was left? Dana had 160 centimeters of ribbon. She cut 5/8 of it. So what is the 5/8 of 160? 5/8 of 160 will be written as this. Okay, so we simplify this. And what was left after simplifying this, they will know the total of the ribbons. That was the 5/8 of it. So with our simple calculation, we can see that 8 can divide itself as 1 and 8 can divide 16 as 2. So we attach the 0 to make it 20. Now 20 times 5 will give us 100. That means 100 ribbons was cut. Now the question is asking what length of the ribbon was left. So if total ribbon is 160 and they've cut off 100 centimeters out, they'll be left with 60 centimeters. So this is the answer left. I'm sure with this you can solve all other questions that have been provided in your textbook. Thanks so much for watching.